Quality content with a great script?
Check.
Engaging editing with good voiceover?
Check.
Increasing impressions, clicks, and views?
Check.
Naturally, with a monetized YouTube channel, you'd expect a hefty amount of money would start rolling in. Right?
Wrong. Despite averaging 100K views per video, YouTube might only be paying you peanuts, while with the same number of views, some other channels will be earning 4 or 5 times more than you.
You'd think, what did I do wrong this time? Well, you just made a common mistake that 90% of YouTubers make. They assume that YouTube pays all content creators equally, but little do they know, the reality is completely different. The amount you earn from YouTube varies significantly depending on the type of content you create. That's why picking a profitable niche is more important than making top-notch content.
Imagine you make a funny video, and it gets 1 million views on YouTube, but you might only earn about $3,000 from it. On the other hand, if you make a video about tech stuff, it also gets 1 million views. Surprisingly, you could earn around $10,000 from it, which is over 3 times the funny video has earned.
This is simply because YouTube usually pays $1 to $3 for every 1,000 views in the case of comedy videos, whereas for tech videos, it's $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. This payment system, established by YouTube for various niches, is known as CPM.
CPM stands for cost per mile or cost per 1,000 impressions. Advertisers bid on YouTube to have their ads displayed in the beginning or middle of other videos. CPM indicates the amount an advertiser pays for every 1,000 times their ad is shown on any video. YouTube pays creators 55% of an ad's CPM. Similarly, RPM stands for revenue per mile, which translates to how much money you make per 1,000 views on your videos.
Advertisers are willing to pay more to reach audiences likely to buy expensive stuff, so those videos make more money. For example, if you make a video like how to open a door or a funny prank video, it's hard for advertisers to know who's watching and what to sell them.
But if your video is about the stock market or marketing, advertisers know they can sell tools and courses to people. These viewers are ready to spend money, making dropshipping videos more valuable for advertisers.
Let's dive into the world of YouTube niches. One of my favorites is the software niche. Imagine this, for every 1,000 views, you could earn up to $9.89. How is this possible? Well, software companies have a unique advantage. They earn recurring revenue. This means customers pay a monthly subscription fee, leading to a high lifetime value, LTV, per customer. This high LTV allows them to spend more on customer acquisition cost, CAC.
Now let's take a look at project management software. It's a lucrative industry with a steady stream of revenue and business clients. This makes it a high cost per mile, CPM niche. Videos about project management are like magnets for software companies. They compete to advertise on these videos, which drives up the ad prices.
If you type project management into the YouTube search box, you'll notice that most of the videos come from a channel named Adriana. This channel has 200,000 subscribers, and its latest video has 1,200 views. If it gets 100,000 views per month and the CPM is $9, the ad revenue could exceed $900 a month on average. You can see this on her dashboard, which shows earnings between $91 to $1,500. Major project management software companies often advertise on these videos, showing their willingness to pay a premium.
So how can you find your own niche? Start by researching large industries with popular software companies. Check if these companies run ads by looking at their most popular videos on YouTube. Some examples to consider are email marketing software like MailChimp and e-commerce platforms like Shopify.
Next, one of the best ways to make money on YouTube is by talking about finance stuff. You can make between $5 to $12 for every 1,000 people who watch your videos. Take Graham Stephan, for example. He talks about money on YouTube and has more than 4 million people who like watching him. He's made over 900 million views in total.
Graham was one of the first to say how much money he makes from his videos. Some of them can make him up to $20 for every 1,000 views. That's a lot of cash. Sometimes he gets over 500,000 views in just one day. That's around $110,000 he earns every day from ads on his videos.
Talking about money on YouTube can earn you a lot. People like watching videos about stocks, crypto, saving money, and investing. There are also other topics like real estate and fintech.
Recently, a new channel started making videos about paychecks and budgeting. They're doing pretty well, with one video getting about 30 views every hour. This shows that even new channels can do great in the finance world. Once they start making money from ads, they'll earn a lot because finance videos have high CPM.
But there's a lot of competition in the finance world on YouTube. Many people want to make money from it because the pay is good. The trick is to make videos about specific topics that people are searching for.
Let's move on to another exciting YouTube niche, celebrity updates. This niche focuses on celebrity news and gossip with a high cost per mile, CPM, of $3 or more. There's a channel I'd like to introduce to you. It's called Jamari, and it's making waves in the YouTube world. Believe it or not, this channel earns up to $26,000 a month. How? By posting updates and news about celebrities. And the best part? It's a faceless channel. That means they don't show faces or record videos themselves.
Building a channel like this is a breeze. Why? Because celebrities already have huge fan bases. There are tons of people searching for the latest updates about their favorite stars. Take the powerful JRE channel as an example. It's the official podcast channel of Joe Rogan. This channel has managed to secure 200K subscribers and garners more than 44 million views monthly. This translates to a whopping 177.5K monthly income. So if you're thinking about diving into the YouTube world, the celebrity updates niche might just be your ticket to success.
Let's venture into the next YouTube niche, technology and space. This niche is particularly interesting if you can create content that's more on the nerdy and practical side. This type of content tends to attract a higher quality audience compared to cartoonish animations and fun facts about space exploration. Take the channel Tesla Space, for instance. It's a great example of a channel in this niche.
Another channel to check out is Spaceball. According to Social Blade, this channel is making millions of dollars a year. This is based on an estimated revenue per mile, RPM, of up to $4 per 1,000 views.
And let's not forget about the space race. This channel is also doing quite well, racking up more than 3 million views monthly and earning over 13K each month. So if you're passionate about technology and space, this could be a lucrative niche for you.
Let's explore our final YouTube niche, the How to Make Money category. This niche tops the chart with the highest average CPM at $13 among all the niches we've discussed. But remember, this isn't an easy niche to crack. Before you dive in, you need to do your homework and learn more about businesses and online entrepreneurship. If you're already in this field, you're off to a great start. You can even run a channel in this niche without showing your face. It's totally up to you.
One of the perks of this niche is that you can create and sell courses to your audience, giving you an additional income stream. Plus, you can promote affiliate links and earn some passive income. But remember, without real knowledge, starting a channel in this niche won't be fair to your audience. So make sure to study first and then launch your channel.
Let's look at some successful channels in this niche. Take Make Money Matt, for example. Matt is currently earning around $3,200 per month. Then there's Iman Gadji, who has almost 6 times more subscribers and nearly double the number of videos on his channel, raking in a cool $24,000 monthly. So, if you're up for the challenge, this could be a profitable niche for you.
If you have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, you can make good money without needing millions. Many people misunderstand YouTube automation. They think the main goal is to earn money from ads. But it's better to focus on getting deals with brands, selling digital stuff, or doing affiliate marketing. That way you can make money in a steady and reliable way.
So, which niche surprised you the most? Are you considering exploring any of these high CPM niches?
Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.